Let's go to the next exercise, children. Let's say the word for each picture. We want to say the word for each and every picture and write the blend from the box to finish each word. Okay, they have given the first two letter. We want to find out the last two letter from the given option. The option was given here, isn't it? The option was given here. From this option we want to find the ending blend word from the options. Okay, let's see the first picture. What is this? This is a ship, isn't it? Very good, she is a ship. But what action is happening? This is sinking. Yes, sink, ink. Yes, N-K, sink. This is a correct answer. Okay, let's go to the next picture. What is this? This is this is snail. But what is this? The question mark is asking for this one. You know what is this? This is a tusk. You are hearing a yes sound, so obviously the SK will be common, isn't it? Okay, let's write yes and K, tusk. Okay, let's go to this side. This is a tank. This is a tanker, but they given only a two-letter word. We have to finish that. This is a tank. T-A, tank. You are hearing a yes, you are hearing a N sound. There are two N options. One is NK and one is a NG, isn't it? But the ending word tank. Yes, your ending word is K. So the NK will come here. Okay, next look at this picture. She is a girl. Yes, I know she is a girl. What she is doing? Yes, she is jumping. Very good. Jump. From the jump, the first two letter was given. What is the remaining two letter? Jump. Yes. Yes. M. P. Jump. P. Okay. Let's go to the next picture. Okay. Look at this picture, children. What is this? This is desk. Very good. This is a desk. Yes, you are hearing a which sound? Yes, you are hearing a S-K, desk. Okay, let's look at this picture. This is an ice cube, but the ice cube is getting melt. L sound. Where is the L? We have to find out the L. Okay, there are two L. One is elf and one is a LT. But melt, the T sound is coming. So we want to put a LT, melt. Okay, let's go here. What is this? He's a king. You know, he's a king. He has a crown, isn't it? He has a crown. Very good. What is the spelling for king? Key. The spelling for the first two letter was given. We want to find out the last two letter. King. Ing. King. What is the spelling? Yes, you are getting a N sound as well as a G sound. King. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's look at the next picture. This is golf. Having a golf bat, isn't it? Golf bat and ball. Golf. You're hearing a L sound as well as you're hearing a F sound. So the LF will be come. So let's write L, F, golf. Okay. So sink, S-I-N-K we have written, and tank, T-A-N-K written, and tusk, T-U-S-K. For a jump, J-U-M-P, jump. Desk, D-E-S-K, desk. King, K-I-N-G, king. Melt, M-E-L-T, melt. Golf, G-O-L-F, golf. Okay, children, let's move to the next exercise. Okay, children, let's do the next exercise. Just read out carefully. Draw lines to match and Find the words in the box. We have to draw the lines to the match, isn't it? Draw lines to the match and find the words in the box. Okay, they haven't given the kept, spring, risk, golf, gift, chest, pump, end. Okay, so first one is GI, the first letter GI. GI, where the GI we have to find out from here. Just look at the picture. If you're not able to see, just zoom it. Just see this. KE, no. SP, no. RI, no. GO, no. This is a GI. Yes, GI. We have find out the GI. What is the remaining letter? FT, gift. Where is the fifth? Yes, there is. Did you find out it? Yes, here it. Just match it. Okay, let's go for the next one. This is a GO. Where is the GO? We have to find out the GO from here. Yes, I got a GO and the remaining letter is LF. This is a golf. Tell me loudly. Golf. Very good. To find the first two letter was given here. Where is the last two letter? Did you find out it? Cheer up, cheer up. Did you find out it? Yes. Did you find out it? Shall I put a match? Shall I put a line? Very nice. Yes, I have to find out it. Okay, let's see the next one. This is chest. Chest. C-H-E. Ch. Okay, let's find out the word from the options. No, no. Yes, I found out it from here. Chest. Okay, C-H-E-S-T. The first three letter word was given. We want to find out the last two letter word. S-T. Where is the S-T? Find out it soon and tell me. Yes, here is a ST. Shall I put a line here? Okay. Okay, let's do the next one. This is RI. Where the RI? We have to find out the RI. Yes, here is the RI. R-I-S-K, risk. R-I-S-K, risk. The first two letter word is given. We want to find out the last two letter word. What is the last two letter word? This is a S-K. We want to find out the S-K. Just find it out. Did you got it? Did you got it? Yes. Did you got it? Shall I put a line here? Risk. Okay, next one. P-U. P-U. Let's see the letter. It's not a P-U. This is not a P-U and this is a risk. Golf, gift, no, chest, pump. Yes, P-U. We started with that word is pump. The first two letter P-U was given. We want to find out the last two letter M-P. So you are going to find the letter M-P. Did you find out it? Did you find out it? Did you got the letter, last two letter? Yes, very good. Okay, shall I put a line? Yes. Okay, am I right? Very good. So next word is S-P-R-I. S-P-R-I they given. We want to find out that where is S-P-R-I. Oh yes, here is S-P-R-I. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. Spring. Okay, the first four letter was given. S-P-R-I was given. We want to find out the N-G. Okay, you are going to find out the letter N-G for the word spring. Did you got it? Still you are searching? Okay, search it fastly. Yes, did you got it? Where is it? Where it is? Yes, here. Shall I put a line here? Yes, spring. Okay, very nice. Okay, next one is E. Only E was given. We want to find where the E letter starting word has been here. Yes, here is a starting word end. End. Very good. End. Okay, the first letter E was given. We want to find out the last two letter word N and D. N-D. Yeah, you can start finding the word ND. Did you find it? Did you got the answer? Yes. Shall I put a line here? E-N-D, end. Okay, the last letter is, let's look at this, K-E. K-E. Let's find out the word. Yes, the K-E was given on the very first, isn't it? Okay, the K-E, the first two-letter word has been given. We want to find out the remaining two-letter word, P-T. We want to find out the letter P-T. Let's find out and tell to me. Did you got the answer? Did you find out? Yes. Where is the answer? Tell me. Here. Very good. Okay, children. G-I-F-T, gift. G-O-L-F, golf. C-H-E-S-T, chest. R-I-S-K, risk. P-U-M-P, pump. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. E-N-D, end. K-E-P-T, kept. Okay, children, now you understand. I think this exercise will be very interesting for you, isn't it? Okay, let's go to the next interesting exercise.